Solve the differential equation dy dx equals y squared x sine 3x, given that y equals 1, when x equals pi over 6. Give your answer in the form y equals 9 over f of x. So here's the question then. Let's have a little look at it. So separating the variables and integrating then. Let's do that. And we'll see what we get. Separating the variables and integrating gives. Okay, well let's move the y squared down, so it's 1 over y squared on the other side. The dy will leave as is, and then move the dx up to be with the x sine 3x. So there's the variables separated then, and integrating. Okay, this is y to the minus 2, so with respect to y integrated, it's simple power. Raise the power by 1, divide by that number, is equal to, now here it's v du, isn't it? Integration by parts, so it's uv, so the integral of sine 3x. We could put it in a grid actually here. V is equal to x, du is equal to sine 3x, dv would equal 1, and u equals, well the integral of sine is minus cos 3x. Differentiate this, cos of something goes to minus sine of something, so we got the sine of something multiplied by the something differentiated, so a 3 would come here, wouldn't it? So to cancel that 3 that you get when you differentiate, you put it underneath to give us just the one lot of sine 3x. So there's all the things we need. So it's uv then, so minus x cosine 3x over 3. uv minus the integral of u, which is another minus, and there's a third, and it's u dv dx, these two. So we've taken care of the numbers, and it's just one lot of cos 3x. So let's do the integration then. This is minus 1 over y is equal to minus x cosine 3x over 3 plus, now the integral of cos is sine. Again we need a 3 underneath, there's already a 3 there, so we need a 9th. Plus k, constant of integration on the other side. So now we impose the initial conditions. Y equals 1 when x equals pi over 6. Y equals 1, x equals pi over 6 gives. Okay, so y is 1, so that's minus 1 on this side then. When y is 1, x is pi over 6, cos of 3 pi over 6 is cos pi over 2, which is 0. Plus sine 3 pi over 6 is 1, so that's just a 9th. Plus k, that tells us what k is then. So k is equal to, move the 9 over, it's minus 9 ninths minus another 9th, minus 10 ninths. So there's k. So we can run the minus through to start with then, so 1 over y is equal to minus of this plus minus this. So just run the minus through all the terms to get rid of the minus here, and then minus this, which is plus 10 over 9. Okay, so let's just invert it, but we'll times by 9 first of all, I think, because I think that's what it wants me to do. 9 over f of x, so here. So let's times everything by 9 first of all. Y is equal to, 9 of these is just 3x cos 3x minus the sine 3x plus the 10. So I multiplied all the way through by 9. And now let's move the y up to the top on the other side and leave the 9 as is on the left. I'm writing it down from right to left, and then move this object here from times down to divide. And that's the final answer for the solution.